Good afternoon, my dear friends. I'm back. This is Nushin. I hope you're all doing well. Reason for today's little short visit is I have been receiving a lot of messages from you guys regarding joining my making a commitment for love online interactive workshops, and it's an ongoing for now, at least until end of March at least. I priced it at $40. On Facebook is $39.99, but it's $40 per session. Since the economy is not good in anywhere, I changed it to donation base. It means that you can join us anytime. Okay, first of all, if you're new to this, this is going to be on topics of making a commitment for love, my first book. And every week we are going to be talking about one of the pillars that I have covered in the book. I give a little short explanation, and it's my intention is group therapy or group conversation. So we have covered self-love, then mutual understanding, and last night we went into respect. Next week we are going to start with respect, because after there is a workbook that comes with the workshop that I will email it to you. There are questions in there. So every week you will answer the questions on your own. This is a class for you only. It's not about me. It's not about your partner. It's about you, how you do life. And what we're going to do is next week we are going to start with respect. If you have any questions, anything, or mutual understanding, or self-love, or self-care. And from there, we are going to go to the next chapter, which will be communication. I see that my cousin is here. Hi, Parviz John, and Khashayur and Saber. Nice having you guys here. So you can join if you are anywhere in the US. If you're in LA, it's 5 p.m. If you're in the East Coast, it's 8 to 9:30 p.m. your time, Tuesday nights. And if you are anywhere else like Chicago or Central or Mountain Times, it's either 6 or 7 for you guys. So we would love to have you. It's a group of adults. The youngest that I have right now is 33 years old, a beautiful young lady. And the rest are a little bit older, like my age, we get into discussions, conversations, no arguments. There is no judgment involved. So if you want to sit there and laugh or cry or do anything you like, you're more than welcome to join us. We would love to have you. And the only thing you need is sending me a private message with your name, number, and email address. So when next week I'm going to send out the email to the participants for next chapter, which is communication, I will send you the workbook and the links to everything that you need. That means Zoom link and our private group on Facebook that you can be added on if you are one of our participants. So all that said, please remember, this is going to be a donation-based group, a donation-based workshop. So you can ask me for any amount that you like to send, and I will send you a request either on Venmo or PayPal. Those are the easiest ones. You can send it to me, and I have had some amazing people who weren't able to be in the class time-wise, and they just wanted to make a donation, and I'm truly and really appreciative of all of this, because I have people who are in the class that they cannot afford, but they need a group therapy. So love you all. Hope to see you next week. I'm here in LA, and message me if you can. All right. Take care.